Hello everyone, my name is Techi Daniel. So in this video, I am going to be discussing on the top 10 tax management apps you can use in 2022 to get you better results and have a more productive and a more motivated team. So let's get right into the video. Countdown number 1, Google Docs. Now, a lot of people do not know about Google Docs, but trust me, this tool works wonders. You do not need to rely on papers here and there. It helps create all your files and have all your documents on one link. So that way, team members can easily take a look at this link and see the updates on certain tasks and see what they are meant to work with. Google Docs definitely helps you get a clearer work and gives you greater results. Number 2, Google Sheets. Now, I'm sure we all have loads of data sometimes that we're working on for any project, and you're wondering how to place them all. I know we all have our good old Excel sheets. Now, Google Sheets is also like an online sheet. With Google Sheets, you can have all your data and all your information on one sheet, which can be easily shared via links. This way, no information is lost and everybody can work on one sheet at the same time using Google Sheets. Do check that out. Now, this Google Sheet also works on your mobile phone and on your desktop. You can have the app on both your Android and on your iPhone as well. Do check that out. Number 3, we have the Google Slides. Yeah, I'm sure you're hearing Google. Yes. Now, these are all different apps. These are all different software that can all work fantastically in helping you manage your tasks and getting a better result. Now, Google Slides for your amazing presentations that you have that you'd like to share to a team. Now, with Google Slides, you can have your presentation using different themes, colors, nice fonts, all on one slide. Now, with Google Slides, like I said earlier, same with Google Sheets and Google Docs, you can have it both on your mobile phone and on your desktop as well. So it helps you share your presentation, share your slides in a more visually appealing manner, and everyone can take a look at these slides no matter wherever they are, and everyone can work on these slides virtually as a team to get better results. Now, I've just mentioned 3 amazing Google apps that you can have. Now, these 3 apps, from Google Docs to Google Sheets to Google Slides, I've used them in the past years and they've worked amazingly for myself and my team to get great results. Now, do check them out. Now, moving on to the 4th app that you can use to better manage your team is WhatsApp. Yes, I'm sure some of you are like, WhatsApp? Really WhatsApp? Yes, but trust me, WhatsApp is an amazing platform, especially when you have the WhatsApp group. Yes. Now, with the WhatsApp groups, I've used WhatsApp group in the past to communicate with team members. Now, everybody can share their ideas and opinions on the WhatsApp group. Now, do not take WhatsApp for granted. WhatsApp is an amazing tool for communication between yourself and your team members. If you do not have WhatsApp, what are you doing? Quickly get that app. It's amazing, trust me. So, moving on to the 5th app. The 5th app I'm going to be recommending is Bitrix24. Yes. Now, with Bitrix24, this app helps you create amazing Gantt charts. With Gantt charts, you can see what each member is working on. For a project, for example, that you're working on, each team members might have their separate roles which they're supposed to work on, and in a specific timeline and to deliver on a specific timeline. With Gantt chart, everybody can clearly see what they are working on, the timeline set for each task and when it's to be delivered on. Gantt chart is amazing. However, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to be sharing one amazing app that has worked tremendously that has all of this together in one. Stay tuned to the end so you do not miss that amazing app. Drum rolls. So the number 6 app that works wonders when managing a team is what we call Zoom. Yes. Zoom. Now, I work in a digital agency, so you can imagine we have team members that work virtually, that work physically. Imagine trying to have meetings with everybody in one. Now, people do not have to be in the same room to have a meeting. People can be outside of the country in a different space, but can still attend a meeting virtually using Zoom. Zoom really saved lives, saved businesses, especially during the lockdown period. And even after the lockdown period, Zoom is here and it's here to stay. So do get Zoom for better communication with your team and to be able to check up on people's stats and to be able to better manage your team. You can use Zoom for this and get great results with your team. So the 7th app I'm going to be telling you about is Microsoft Teams. Now, Microsoft Teams also works as Zoom. It's also an app that works fantastically well when having meetings. So these meetings can be done virtually and it's easier to communicate with your team, both far, wide, close by, using Microsoft Teams. So now, moving on to the 8th app. So the number 8 app that works amazing well for task management and managing your team is Google Calendar. I know most times we forget about certain activities because they are not stored. Google Calendar does this amazing thing of reminding you or certain activities that's meant to be carried out on a certain day at a certain time. So this way you do not forget important appointments, you do not forget important meetings, you do not forget important things, because Google Calendar helps remind you and helps keep you on check with all appointments that is needed for your team to succeed in any project that's going on. So thank you for sticking with me to this point. We're about to move into the 9th app that will help you manage your tasks better and manage your team better in 2022. But before I move on to that, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. I mean, what are you waiting for? All right, you've done that? Thank you. Good, great job. Now let's move on to the 9th app. No, to the 9th app. All right, the 9th app I have is called PROOFHUB. Yes. Now, PROOFHUB is an amazing tool for managing your tasks, because with PROOFHUB, you can easily input everybody's tasks and everybody can see it on PROOFHUB. So everybody can get their login and view it on PROOFHUB. So it gives you different formats. It gives you the list format, it gives you the Gantt chart format as well. It gives you the calendar format. It gives you all this amazing format. Now, PROOFHUB is amazing. Now, stick with me as I show you the 10th app. Now, this 10th app is amazing. It works well on your desktop and on your mobile phone as well. Now that is the one I use for my team and it has worked very well, and I will definitely recommend it. And that 10th app is, drumroll, Clickup. Yes, now Clickup is an amazing tool, the best tool I've used in previous years for task management. Yes, Clickup does wonders. Now Clickup has its free version and its paid version. So with Clickup, you can better manage your tasks. Everybody can get a login into Clickup to see how a project is going, to see what tasks they're supposed to work on, what day they're meant to work on the tasks. It helps give notes as well, and people can tag on Clickup. Now Clickup does the same function as WhatsApp. It has the Google Docs, it has the slides, it has links as well that you can share using Clickup. Clickup also gives reminders via mail, so everybody can remember on a task they're meant to work on. Everybody can see what they're meant to work on. It also shows you when a task is overdue, so you know you have to double up on that area to get it done quickly. Now, Clickup can be shared to not just yourself, but can also be shared to your clients, so they can see the progress and what the team is working on. The amazing thing about Clickup is that it works both on desktop and it works on mobile, which is amazing. So you don't always have to be on your system on the go. You can pick up your mobile phone, check the app to see what your team members are doing, get feedbacks, and give responses on areas that need responses on. Another thing about Clickup is that it has the Gantt chart as well. It has the Gantt chart, it has the mind map that you can use for your project and you can use with your team to get a more productive result. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.